listing on the page. After that, you have to select volume number 1 or 2. In that volume number 1 and 2, you have to get all the PDFs of the program with their respective with their respective names. So each and every programming PDF is available on online search. So friends, go through that. First of all, read the PDF. After that, you have to perform your practical. So number of important things are given in that PDF. I was previously told you that PDF consists problem definition, sample input, sample output. This is very important for each and every programming challenge. So friend, here I have to take another example 1, 4, 2, minus 1 and 6. If you calculate their absolute difference in between two numbers, 4 minus 1, that is what? 3. 4 minus 2, that is 2. 2 minus 1, that is 3. 6 minus 1, that is 7. So friends, it doesn't follow any absolute difference like the previous sample input and output. In the previous sample, that will follow the sequence, and specifically on the base of that absolute differences, that sequence is called as jolly sequence or jolly jumper sequence. That's why our output is true, otherwise the output is false. That's it. So the absolute differences of that specific input 1, 4, 2, minus 1 and 6 are 3, 2, 3, 7. This does not contain all the values from 1 to n minus 1. It does not consist all the values, okay, from 1 through n minus 1. So this sequence is not a jolly sequence. So the output is false. If you take another input 11, 7, 4, 2, 1 and 6. So the output is true because 11 minus 7, that is 4. 7 minus 4, that is 3. 4 minus 2, that is 2. 2 minus 1, that is 1. And 6 minus 1, that is again 5. 11 minus 7, that is 5. Yes. 5. After that 3, 2, 1 and again 5. So that will be follow the sequence. That will be follow the jolly jumper sequence from 1 to n minus 1. So that's it. That is the jolly. Means the output of that program is true. Friends, a sequence of n is greater than 0 integers is called jolly jumper. If the absolute values of the differences between successive elements take on all the values 1 through n minus 1, for instance 1, 4, 2, 3, that will be we have to see in the output. So input, each line of input contains an integer n is less than or equal to 3000 followed by n number of integers representing the sequence. So for each line of input, so how the input and output is occur on the specific line, like as the tree. Okay, on that in the tree program, on the first input line we have to give a number of passengers or number of uh, participants. Those are going for trip. Those are gone to the trip. That's it. For example, there are 3. So first of on the sample input first line, we give a number of visitors, that is 3, and after that we provide their paid values. Okay, 10.00, 20.00, 30.00, and after that we calculate the output. That's it. That is the tree program. That's it. Like this output for each line of input. generate a line of saying say that is output saying jolly or not jolly. That's it. That is very easy. Means what? In the sample output, you only print that's if the sequence of given by the sequence given by the user is jolly sequence, you have to print jolly, otherwise not jolly. That's it. Okay, students, this is the sample input and sample output provided on online judge. So first of all, 41423. Check out what is the output. For minus one, that is 3. 4 minus 1, that is 3. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 2, that is 1. So sample output jolly, otherwise not jolly. Sample input and output. So this is the algorithm or the source code. Here include file studio.h max 3000. Okay, in main function. In the sample PDF or the PDF provided by online judge, there are 3000 numbers we are taken, not more than 3000. Okay, so integer n I j v of max, that is this is the array v of max, a of max, second array.